Dear students, welcome to our class. All are you well? Okay, our new lesson, lesson 3, simple nutrients into cells. Simple nutrients reach cells through blood. If so, does blood enter cells? We can find its answer from this lesson. How do simple nutrients reach these cells through blood and lymph? In our previous lesson, we studied complex form of nutrients converted into its simplest form in the process of digestion. The energy required for carrying out metabolic activities is released from simple molecules formed as a result of digestion. These take place in cells. Hence, these nutrients must be carried to the cells. It is blood which performs this function. So, we want to study the structure of blood. Is the structure of blood suitable to carry substance? In this lesson, we study about blood. What are the main functions of blood? Blood maintaining immunity, transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide, carrying hormones to their target tissue, transportation of excretory materials, regulation of body temperature. These are the different functions of blood. Maintaining immunity, blood transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide, it carrying hormones to the target tissue, it helps to transportation of excretory materials, then regulation of body temperature. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. The components of blood is suitable for performing various functions. Blood contains two parts, the fluid part named plasma and blood cells. Blood contains two parts, fluid part named plasma and the blood cells. If the chemical like EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, that prevents coagulation of blood. In a test tube that contains blood, after sometimes blood cells and the fluid part can be seen distantly. This shows the components of blood in a test tube. In the 55% is the plasma, the remaining 45% is blood cells. Plasma is the straw yellow colored fluid that constitutes 55% of blood. The remaining 45% is the blood cells. The blood cells contain two types of blood cells, RBC and WBC. Red blood cells and white blood cells. Then platelets. The blood cells constitute 45% of blood. Then plasma constitutes 55% of blood. The various type of blood cells, RBC, WBC and platelets. Next we discussing about plasma. Plasma is the pale yellow colored fluid that constitutes 55% of blood. Blood cells are found in plasma. We know different type of blood cells are present, RBC, WBC and platelets. These are found in the plasma. Then what is the function of plasma? The simpler molecules formed as a result of digestion namely glucose, amino acids, fatty acid, glycerol, etc., reach cells through the plasma. Plasma helps to carry the simple nutrients like amino acids, fatty acid, glycerol, glucose, etc. to the cells. Then plasma contain 90 to 92% of water. Then 7 to 8% of proteins and other factors. Which is the other factors present in the plasma? Fat, salts, urea, sugar, hormones, etc. The major components of plasma are water, proteins and other factors. Plasma is comprised of water, proteins, fat, sugar, salt, urea, uric acid and hormones. Then proteins in plasma: albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. These are the different proteins present in the plasma. In plasma, 7 to 8% are proteins. These proteins contain different types of proteins: albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Then each proteins perform different functions. Albumin helps to regulate the blood pressure. Albumin regulates blood pressure. Globulin helps in defense. If any antigens enter in our body shows defense mechanism. This provided by the protein globulins. Globulin helps in defense. Then fibrinogen, it plays a major role in the coagulation of blood. It helps to blood clotting. Types of blood cells. First one, red blood cells or erythrocyte. Red blood cell, RBC or erythrocyte. Second one, white blood cell, WBC or leukocyte. Third one, platelet or thrombocyte. Erythrocyte, leukocyte and thrombocyte. These are the different blood cells. Erythrocytes are red in color because of the pigment hemoglobin. These erythrocytes, these are red color because it contains the pigment hemoglobin. They are disc shaped and nucleus is absent. Red blood cells are disc shaped, nucleus is absent. Its main function is to transport respiratory gases. These erythrocytes or red blood cells helps to carrying the respiratory gases. This is the main function of erythrocyte. Second one is the leukocyte or the WBC. Leukocyte or the WBC. These white blood cells are divided into 5. They are neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, lymphocyte and a monocyte. Third one is the platelet or the thrombocyte. Platelet or the thrombocyte. It helps in blood clotting. They also have no definite shape like WBC. Pigment is absent, so they are colorless. These are the different types of white blood cells: monocyte, eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil, and lymphocyte. White blood cells are divided into 5: monocyte, eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil, and a lymphocyte. They have no definite shape. Nucleus are found in different shapes. They are colorless due to the absence of pigment.